One of the most time-saving and convenient features of Luxor CRM is customizable views. Customizable views can be created within minutes and allow users to slice and dice their database to show specific contact, lead, organization, or opportunity records based on their specific requirements. For example, let's create a customizable view in the Leads module that shows me all of my leads who are located in Toronto, Canada, and whose company is within the technology industry. I can then use this view to send out marketing materials or to export them into an Excel sheet to use as a call list or wherever else you may need it for. Now, when I first click on the Leads module, you'll see here at the top where it says Views that I have my default view set to all items. You are not able to edit the default view, but you can easily create another view that narrows down your leads even further. To begin, you simply click on this downward arrow, which will then show you that you can add a new view, you can edit a view, and set as default view. Let's click on Add New View. From there, you have to give the view a name, which in this case we'll title it Toronto Technology Leads. Always try to be as specific as possible because as you continue adding new views into your database, it can become very complicated to remember which one contains what information. And as long as you label it clearly, you'll be able to navigate very easily through it. After you label the view, the next step is to select the fields that you would like Luxor CRM to display when your view is populated. I always like to see the company name, the contact name, their email address, as well as their phone number. But of course you can select from this entire list and choose to have whatever information displayed that you desire. Now once the fields are selected, you then have to proceed with choosing your specific conditions that Luxor is going to sort through the leads on. So in this case, we're going to say that the lead city is Toronto. The leads country, and we can, when you see this little box here, that means you can select from a list. And we're going to say Canada. And that the leads industry, and once again we can select from a list, is technology. Now always be sure, especially if you're going to use your views for a mass mail out, that you always select newsletter opt-out equals no, because of course you don't want to reach out to individuals who have chosen to opt out from email communication. Now that I've selected my conditions, it's as easy as clicking Save and View, and now my view is saved and can be used immediately in Luxor CRM. Now if I'd like to make this my default view, as in the view that I can see every time I open up the Leads module, I simply click on this downward arrow again and click Set Default View. And now instantly it's saved. Now if I were to go back to the home page and then navigate back into the Leads module, you'll see that my default view and the automatic view that will show up when I enter this module is Toronto Technology Leads, instantaneously there for you. I should also note that every view in Luxor CRM is dynamic, meaning that as you add more data into the system, your views will automatically be updated accordingly. Besides the Leads module, you can create customizable views for every module in Luxor CRM. You could do it for organizations, for contacts, for all of your opportunities to sort through them, through your support tickets, all the campaigns that you may run, whatever it is that you may choose. For more information on how to optimize your use of customizable views in Luxor CRM, visit us online at www.luxorcrm.com.